Hi, my name's Teresa Miller, and I'm a principal technologist with the Technology Advocacy Group at Cohesity.
Hi, my name is Ashish Patwardhan. I'm a group product manager. I lead the data protection product team out here at Cohesity. So I'll be talking today about data protection for containers and specifically the Kubernetes and container ecosystem. And I'll start with the industry trend that we are observing out there in most enterprises. One of the biggest trends is that most of the enterprises are now adopting containers and the microservices architecture to develop and deploy their applications. Along with that trend, we are also seeing Kubernetes as the emerging player when it comes to orchestrating these containers together so that they work towards building and serving a bigger application to their end users. So with that, Teresa, can you point out some of the challenges that we may or as customers might face when it comes to data protection for such an ecosystem?
Absolutely. So some of the challenges that customers face when it comes to backing up Kubernetes is that when the containerized applications are running, basically you can only back up the storage. You don't get to really capture the application itself during that backup process. That's what we refer to as the application context. So essentially, it means that traditional methods of backup that focus on the basics don't provide enough coverage for organizations that are really looking to do a good job protecting their data in Kubernetes.
Okay, let me take a crack at the solution from Cohesity that is addressing this challenge. So obviously, container ecosystem is now becoming more and more important, and that makes it even more important from a data protection point of view. So the Cohesity solution that is being built will take care of data protection of a Kubernetes ecosystem. The way we will do that is we will deploy a connector service in the Kubernetes cluster, and from that, using our data protection technologies, we will be able to back up not only the application data, we will also be able to back up the application context, which means the configuration information and whatever else is required. What it means is that when we do a restore, we can put the application back in totality rather than having the user go through the process of first getting the data and then stitching the application together. Now, with that in mind, Cohesity can also back up a Kubernetes on-premises cluster and then restore it onto the cloud or do it vice versa. Of course, the restore can happen to the original location from where it was backed up as well. So solve the problem, solve the challenge, as well as keep the rest of the workflow that all of our customers are used to intact and as it is. And you want to point out a few of the advantages that we get with Cohesity Data Protect?
Absolutely. So in addition to now being able to back up your Kubernetes, keep in mind too, you get the Cohesity benefits that all of our products offer. You get the deduplication and compression of the data. You get our powerful search and index, and you get analytics that will help you really understand the data that you have.